This is I this side, and this is my order execution engine for DEX trading. This is one ready backend built with Node.js and TypeScript that processes market order with intelligent DEX routing between Raydium and Meteora. So here in the README, I mentioned all the main the three or important things. So architecture use Fastify for the API, BullMQ with Redis for queue processing, PostgreSQL with Prisma ORM for persistence, and WebSockets for real-time order updates. Everything containerized with Docker and deployed into Railway. So you can see that tech stack is this is a basic architecture I followed. And why market orders the rational behind is it's offers the immediate execution, but allows showcasing robust queue management and error handling as well. For the production patterns, it's demonstrated critical infrastructure as well. Other tech, you can see the tech stack here. So let me show it in action. Next part I will show it in. The backend part is deployed on Railways. On the right hand side, you can see the terminal and the script file which I will be running. In the script, first of all, we have the health check setup. Then for the submission, order submission. Then after we have a or submit order loop where we'll be sending post request to API for each order and which waits around 200 milliseconds between each orders and display order ID for each created order. But the queue stats are printed later on. Let's run it. So you can see I'll check it's okay. We have submitted 5 concurrent orders and order submitted. You can see there the post and requests. Further on the deploy logs, you can see final statistics there on the left hand side. The total order is 72 and completed is 67. That is 5 active orders. So it's 5 active orders is completed. And in the next try, if we will run the script again, you can see the main thing. Let's wait. Yeah, the total order is 77 now. That's mean the previous 5 orders which was pending got completed. You can also check it on the log side as well. Further in the railway logs, you can see the DEX routing that this routing action for each order, the system compares the price on Raydium and Meteora. Then automatically it selects the best DEX. See here the order chooses Raydium here in this part. Just for example, every order goes through the complete uh, life cycle with WebSocket status updates, starting from pending status and then routing to find the best index, building the transaction, and submitted to the blockchain, and finally confirmed. All the status updates are streamed via WebSocket to connected. You can see clearly that the queue system processes all orders concurrently using 10 BullMQ workers with Redis. You can see in logs multiple orders being handled at the same time. The queue maintains the concurrent processing while the respective rate limit of 100 orders per minute, though the terminal shows the final statistics. Multiple log lines with different order IDs happening simultaneously. Lines showing orders work started. Queue. This all demonstrate that thing. So finally, all 5 orders completed successfully with 0 failures, as you can see in the next form. That's the total orders number changed to 77. So the system includes 44 unit tests covering routing logic, queue behavior, and WebSocket lifestyle cycles, all passing, plus the 8 Postman integration test validation that complete the API. So let me show that part as well. So I have also documented the test results in test results.md, and you can check it on GitHub. So total 44 unit tests. The demo script already proves the API works. Let's run once again here the npm test. It will take some time. So let's wait for around 1 minute. While I would like to also mention that the system includes 44 unit tests and 8 Postman integration tests that all are also documented in the repository. So here you can see the tests 44 tests are passed and the total test suits of 3 also passed. Uh, these all are documented. Let's open Postman. So collections, okay. As we have collection.json as well, the file included in repository. So let's have order execute. Base URL it's of the deployed tail backend only. All test cases are passed. So here I can see it's showing all 8 tests passing. The Postman collection includes, as you mentioned, 8 integration tests covering health check, order creation, validation, and queue stats. Thing. Let's run it. Yeah. So you can see the all test cases. All 8 tests passing. The health check, get API info, market order execution check, and all. These all are passing. So that's all about the testing part. So concluding all the things. There's like we have DEX Routing implementations with prior comparison, WebSocket streaming of order lifecycle for the queue management for concurrent orders, and error handling as well. Code organization documentation is also there. The total 44 unit tests and 8 Postman tests. You can check it all on the README file as well, and also there are separate test results file, etc., where you can check the specific results details mentioned. Built a efficient system with 10 times more than the target performance, and with zero failures across all tests, and with queue flows throughout workers to text routing. So thank you.